What is the easiest way to clean the bottom of a pan? How do you get bent black off bottom of pan? How do you make bottom of a pans new again? If these are your questions, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean pots or pans and make it new again, and let's dive right in. So step 1, to be able to make the bottom of your pan new again, you can see how this is. It is very filthy from burnt oil and everything else when you use it on the stove, and then you can see this as well. And I'm going to show you how you can make this all clean, neat again. This is what I've been using to myself. And what we are going to use is Easy Off. This is amazing. It just changed the way I clean everything in my home, and I would recommend this for you. You can't go wrong with using Easy Off. It's really good and easy to clean. Makes your cleaning easy and fun. Alright, so all you have to do is we are going to spray this. So step 1, let's spray it all around. So that is step 1. Step 2, just lay it down, put it on a paper for it to dry. I'm just going to lay this down here on a piece of paper or just a paper. You can set it down on the counter like that, but I would like to put it on here so if there is any mess, it will just be on the paper and then just throw it away. And then we are going to spray this, the second one. Just going to spray the outside. Make sure you spray, it covers it all good. Okay, once we finish spraying this, we are just going to add this to the second one, and we can leave this overnight. It works easy that way. You can leave this to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. That way the foam will all dried on it, and that will be easy to take all the stains off. You don't have to do too much cleaning. You can leave this outside as well if you want. And so we are just going to leave this for at least 3 to 4 hours, and then we will come back and start cleaning our pans and make it new again. And now that after 5 hours of drying our pans, we are going to start washing, and let's start right now. The next step, we're gonna do the tools you need. You're gonna need gloves to put on, and we're also gonna use a soap pad, and you can see it's all dry good, and now it's time to just get these bent bottoms off. All right, so we are just going to wet this. And we're gonna wet our soap pad, and then even as you can see that is just coming off. Look at that, it's ready to come off. So we're just gonna start cleaning it. Look at how easy it is. Look at how easy it's coming off right away. You don't have to do too much cleaning. Look at that transformation right away. Look at that. Look at that. You don't have to spend too much time cleaning, just coming right off. The soap pad helps a lot. If there is anything else that is like sticky, bent, sticky bottom, it just takes it off right away. I'm gonna wet more. Just clean. Look at that. Look at this transformation. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. And then just clean around the edges right here. Like that. And then clean that. Alright, and this is done. And I'm going to do the second one as well. You can see right away. Look at that, it's coming right off. Alright, so you can see how clean this is. Much better than before. It's all down. Alright, and we are just going to rinse all these together. Look at that. Look at that. If you still see some spot, just take your soap pad and go over it. If some spot is still showing or clean, just use this and then go over it, and that will just take it off. And now everything looks neat. Just wash this out. I'm just going to use a soap and just wash them. Alright, and just clean it down. And look at the transformation. Both of these are all clean. And make sure you wipe down get everything clean up neatly. Don't want to have any mess in your kitchen, in your sink. So we wipe this down. We wash our gloves. Just wash your soap pad a little. Just get the soapy out of it. You can reuse this another time. And just look at this. Shining. So neat. Our bottom bent off is all new again. Look at that. Look at this. And look at this. Alright. Hey friends, we just learned the easiest way to clean the bottom of your pans, whether it's a black bent or to take the black bent off the bottom of your pans. Just look at what we've come up. You saw the beginning of this, you saw how it looks like. Now it looks so amazing, it looks so new again. It's so simple and it makes your life so easy using Easy Off. It makes your cleaning so easy. It makes you to want to keep cleaning everything in your home, every pans and pot in your home. I love it, and I know you will love this too because it's very easy. Get all your pots and pans clean, the bent bottom clean off. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. homemaking made simple for modern women. If you are looking for how to clean your dish rack inside and out, watch the next video and I will see you on there. Take care. Bye. Tip number 1. When you spray the fume on the bottom of your pan, for it to dry quickly, the best way is to dry it outside under the sun, and then within 3 to 4 hours it will dry quickly for you to clean it up. The second tip is, easiest way you can do this also is just spray the pans, put it on a baking sheet and put it inside your oven overnight. Don't turn the oven on, just leave it on, because there is a heat in the oven, and then by the time you get up in the morning, this should be dry for you to start cleaning. Those are the 2 tips. That's how I use it sometimes and it helps me also. I hope that helps you as well.